Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to swipe for split screen on Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin. So first we want to make sure that our setting is enabled. So we want to go to settings, scroll almost all the way down, and we want to click advanced features here. Then we click multi-window. And as you can see, we have to enable our swipe for split screen in order for it to work. And we can also click it in order to see what exactly is the gesture here. So as you can see, we can simply press the two fingers and select, for example, our gallery. And now we have two applications running at the same time, and we can easily enable it with our gesture here. So just like that. Oops. Oh wait. Oh yes, you have two fingers at the bottom. Right. And now you can just easily enable it. Well, basically whenever you want. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.